Some say Jerusalem is the very center of the world for asking forgiveness.
Who are those men?
Muslims.
They try to be one. One heart. One morality. Their prophets they submit.
Subhana Rabbi al-Hadi.
Saracens, as you call them, have now unified in Egypt, Syria, and all Arabia. Saracens, someone new.
Saladin, their king.
What know you of Salahuddin?
That he is king of the Saracens, and that he surrounds this kingdom.
Were you not close enough to a great king to learn by his example?
He has 200,000 men in Damascus alone. He could win a war if he goes to war.
Praise be to God. It is proper to praise him.
Reynald, with the Templars, have broken the king's pledge of peace. Must not go to war with Salahuddin. You do not want it, and you may not win it.
Salahuddin has crossed the Jordan with 200,000 men.
I pray you pull back your cavalry and leave this matter to me.
You promised. You promised to return Jerusalem. Don't forget. Don't forget.
You will make first for Kerak. If I do not deliver war, I have no peace.
Salahuddin's sister.
Salahuddin Ahi.
I know.
The Sultan demands the return of his sister's body, the heads of those responsible, and the surrender of Jerusalem.
Give me a war.
What answer do you return to Salahuddin?
This.
God wills it.
When Salahuddin has finished with you, he will come.
A king does not kill a king.
Saladin must move his army from water to water.
When will it begin?
Soon.
Mercy.
No, I cannot.
God has sent you this day! You will take no prisoners! As they did! So shall it be done! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar!
Your city is full of women and children. If my army will die, so will your city.
You offer terms, I ask none.
I will give every soul safe conduct to Christian lands. Every soul. The women, the children, the old, and all your knights and soldiers, and your queen. No one will be harmed. I swear to God.
The Christians butchered every Muslim within the walls when they took this city.
I am not those men. I am Salahuddin. Salahuddin.
What is Jerusalem worth?
Everything. I am not those men. I am Salahuddin. Salahuddin.